The olive leaf was so important to the ancient Egyptians that they regarded it as a symbol of heavenly power. Not only did they extract the oil to mummify their kings, it was used as a powerful defender against a wide variety of maladies too. So let's state some of the most important health benefits of olive leaf. Number 1. Heart health. Olive leaf supports arterial health. The endothelial cells that line the arterial walls play a key role in maintaining blood flow and pressure, with endothelial dysfunction being one of the earliest stages of hardening of the arteries, atherosclerosis. Olive leaf can fight endothelial dysfunction on many levels. It increases the production of nitric oxide, a signaling molecule that helps to relax blood vessels. This powerful leaf also has multi-targeted anti-inflammatory effects, which may help to prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which can damage arteries and, again, lead to atherosclerosis. Number 2. Diabetes. There is evidence to suggest the olive leaf could provide a natural alternative for diabetes. Researchers from the University of Auckland have discovered extract of this leaf has the ability to decrease insulin resistance and increase the production of insulin by the pancreas. In a randomized, double-blinded and placebo-controlled clinical study, the researchers found that the olive leaf extract lowered insulin resistance by an average of 15% and increased the productivity of the pancreas's beta cells, which produce insulin, by 28%. This effect is due to the olive leaf's hypoglycemic properties, lowers blood sugar in the body, and its ability to control blood glucose levels. The polyphenols in this leaf play a vital role in delaying the production of sugar, which is the precursor to inflammatory diseases such as diabetes. Number 3. Immune system. Olive leaves have been traditionally used for centuries to support the immune system, maintain overall good health, and to relieve symptoms of coughs, colds and flu. It has 5 times, 400%, more antioxidant power than the equivalent amount of vitamin C. The olive leaf also has antiviral properties, with research showing that extracts can effectively fight against a number of disease-causing microbes. These powerful compounds destroy invading organisms and don't allow viruses to replicate and cause infection. Number 4. Antifungal. The aforementioned antimicrobial effect was tested in a 2003 study by D. Markin et al. The researchers found that olive leaf extracts killed almost all bacteria tested. This included dermatophytes, which cause infections in the skin, hair and nails, Candida albicans, an agent of oral and genital infection, and Escherichia coli cells, E. coli, bacteria found in the lower intestine. This makes olive leaf a wonderful herb to eliminate candida overgrowth and an excellent antifungal for the treatment of athlete's foot and toenail fungus. Number 5. Bone health. Inspired by epidemiological evidence showing that people who ate a traditional Mediterranean diet were less likely to suffer from osteoporosis, Dr. Veronique Coxum has led research and development of the powerfully active compounds in olive leaf, oleuropein and hydroxytyrosol. Her early work showed that both of these compounds had an impact on inflammation in bones, findings since confirmed by animal studies. Research performed by scientists at the University of Cordoba, Spain, studied the effects of a range of oleuropein concentrations on the formation of osteoblasts, a cell that secretes the substance of bone, and stem cells from human bone marrow. The researchers concluded, our data suggests that oleuropein, highly abundant in olive tree products included in the traditional Mediterranean diet, could prevent age-related bone loss and osteoporosis. So the typical use of olive leaf varies into 1. Olive leaf tea. Use 30 grams of olive leaf per liter of water, then boil until the water reduces to half the amount. Drink up to 2 cups per day, 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. Can be drunk hot or iced with a slice of lemon. 2. Olive leaf tincture. Olive leaf tincture can be added to water or fruit juice and taken when required. Traditionally taken 2 to 3 milliliters, taken 2 to 3 times per day, or as directed by a herbal practitioner. 3. Olive leaf powder. Olive leaf powder can be added to smoothies, encapsulated or mixed with a little water or juice. A typical dosage of olive leaf is 1 to 2 grams of powdered leaf up to 3 times per day. Precautions. If you take any blood pressure medications or have low blood pressure, check with your healthcare professional before using olive leaf. Not recommended if you are pregnant or breastfeeding.